Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna do a small build update after my water cooling parts came. And now I'm gonna present you my white and black and white build. With probably there will be a little bit pinkish also since I'm a girl. Here are my valve and my 90 degrees on the black pump. They look very beautiful, so shiny and amazing. Here will be the 480mm radiator. I was doing a little bit measuring for my beautiful 40mm tubes that I will place, and it looks actually nice. I measured it good, I think. And one more thing I did, I made the best cable management for my fan RGB controller here. I did such an amazing job that I even cut my hand, but it looks fantastic. I promise you guys that this time the cable management will be top level, not like last time. Don't hate me for my spaghetti build. Here we will have fine quality work. Since I get this build so much into my heart, I'll put all of my best efforts to look like a princess, like me, because no, I'm not princess. Anyway, we have this beautiful fittings that I admire, and I love looking at them with the light. They look so beautiful, and this metal here, I feel like it's so shiny that I can see myself. I really adore fittings. And one thing, guys, very important, the more fittings you have, the easier the job becomes, because more fittings, less tube bending, less wasted tube if you don't know how to bend tubes, and more clean build. So I just wanted to inform you about this little update, how I put my fittings and valve. Also the PCU shroud, everything will be very beautiful here. We're waiting some fans for my new EK radiator to come. They will be white, and I will make a video how I installed them. I will keep you updated with everything in this build. Thank you very much for following me. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, and much love from Gabby Tech.